In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can link your YT account to your Discord PC and mobile. It's pretty similar in both devices, but let me show you how you guys can do it first on your mobile. So first you need to open your Discord. Once you open your Discord, what you want to do is click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After doing that, once this setting opens up, you want to click on where it says connections. You want to go on connections. Once you're in your connection, you want to click on where it says add at the top. Click on add. Once you click on add, there's going to be all these sites you can add. So this is YouTube over here at the second last. So I want to add YouTube, so I'm going to click on YouTube. Once I click on YouTube, it's going to take me to my browser where I need to log in my YouTube account. So over here from all these Gmails, I need to choose my YouTube. So my YouTube is in this account, so I'm going to click this account. So my YouTube connected with this account will be displayed on my Discord. Now after this thing opens up, what you want to do is scroll down and click on where it says allow. So once you click on allow, wait for some time. It's connecting my YouTube to my Discord and it has been done. Now basically what you can do is go back and you can just go to connection and see. As you guys can see, my YouTube has been added over here on my Discord. So that's pretty simple on how you guys can add a YouTube to your Discord on your mobile. Now let's move on to PC. So to connect your YouTube account using your Discord, it's pretty similar as well. First you want to go to your setting once you open Discord on your PC. Once you go to your setting, you want to go to your connection setting over here where it says connections. Once you're on your connection, you want to click on where it says, this YouTube over here. You want to click on YouTube. Once you come over here, you want to choose your Gmail account in which your YouTube is linked. So as on the last one, this is the one in which my one is linked. After this, I want to enter my password to confirm it. So let me do that. And once this page opens up, you want to click on where it says allow, wait for some time, and it's connected. So if I go back to my Discord, it's connected. So that's basically how you guys can do it from your PC as well. So hope you guys understand how you guys can link your, YouTube to your Discord on your PC and mobile. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.